Namaste everyone. I am Divisha Jatakia and I am super excited to welcome you all to the Great Indian Shop Utsav 2.0, a digital showcase for Indian businesses and creators by Apni Indian Gali. This platform is all about one thing: giving Indian businesses and creators the space to be seen, trusted, and celebrated. Today, you will meet not one, not two, but three wonderful business professionals who are doing amazingly in their own space. And they're creating it with their whole heart, culture, and purpose. They are here to share what they have, what they do, and what unique offers they have bought for you this festive season, and how you guys can support them. You will find no formal talks here, and it will be just real conversations with real people. So let's get started. So, as we said, let's welcome all our guests today and the participants. So, we have Nirav Hingu, we have Chanpreet, and we have Shefali. So, we'll quickly run through introduction. So, Nirav, tell us something about yourself.
Hi, I'm Neeram Hingu. I'm the logo design consultant and also a Vedic Vastu consultant. I'm
Mhm.
deal with startups, companies, and also with SMEs, those who are very having the low businesses, and I help them to scale with the Vastu Shastra. And also, I designed a logo based on the human psychology, color psychology, and also on the based on astrology. So this is about myself.
Wow. So, great services I have personally experienced. And Charanpreet, tell us something
Hi,
about yourself. What do you do?
hi, my name is Chanpreet and I'm a pastry chef from the last 6 years. Now, from as you can say, you can start with our basic Belgium chocolate cake to the gift hampers or a corporate gifting or a white labeling. We do all kind of services
Hmm.
and we specialize in customized chocolates, hampers, and everything in the as you can say sweet tooth. And we do bulk packaging for all the big brands,
Hmm.
and we do a lot of reselling also. We have our resellers for chocolates, draggies, and we have sugar free as well as healthy cookies options also for everyone.
Wow. So it's like a one-stop solution for all your sweet needs and sweet treats. Amazing. So Shefali, quickly tell us, what do you do? What is your brand about?
Yeah. So, hi, everybody. I am Shefali Gokhale Sharma. I am the founder of Gifts and Wraps. It's a corporate gifting company which is online. And
Hmm.
my specialization is basically I support women who are into different modes of, who are entrepreneurs and have different products. This is what I
Wow.
do. We take products from these women and we try to put them into a corporate or model gifting, and then we present that. My USP of my company is that I give a whole solution. Like, I just
Okay.
don't suggest you gifts. I will also suggest you how you are supposed to give it. सिर्फ गिफ्ट्स देना एक होता है कि मैंने चूज कर लिया शॉप में से, दैट इज
Hmm.
इट. But we
Hmm.
gift wrap them with different themes. Like, I
Okay.
do it for the corporate, I do it for any kind of birthdays, also for any weddings. So we have a theme wise wrap. That is how my company is named as Gift and Wraps. And
Wow.
I'm also working as a social entrepreneur, a social
Hmm.
activist with a NGO who's supporting women empowerment. So that's how I'm connected with these women across. We also have a lot of what we call out of the city, like they are called as Padsad kind of things, where we
Okay.
support bamboo materials products, where we are bringing this from these people who make them in the villages and all. And that
Okay.
also we are trying to give them a platform through our
Wow.
gifts and wrap company. So something different and unique every time you will find. Definitely, I'm a gift finder, you can say, like how you go to a counselor or a Vastu
Hmm.
person. If you
Hmm.
need any particular gift and you want it in the best possible rates and the best possible quality, that's when you connect with me. So I will
Wow.
provide you with exactly what you require as per your request. So that's
Wow.
about me.
So this is amazing, guys. As you can see in this, this is the first episode of the Great Indian Shopper Store 2.0,
Wow.
and we have amazing people here. So right from your, Vastu logo to your sweet treats and to your gifting. So we have everyone over here who is going to cater to all your problems, and they're having solutions for something or the other. Like Chanpreet is having amazing, his chocolates are amazing. Trust me, guys, when I say this, because we have tasted it. The AIG community have tasted, some of us, of course. So they're amazing. So let's move on to the next question. So Nirav, tell us, what special products or offer do you have for the Great Indian Shop itself?
For our audience, I can give you a 50% discount
Hmm.
on astrology. I'm also dealing in astrology. So the cost for the consultation is 7,000, but for the AIG, I will be offering at the 3.5. So
Wow.
people who will come with Devisha's name, or he has to provide me that Devisha ne number diya hai. I'm come to the this support show, and then I will give the flat.
Devisha or Sonia? Let me just
Yeah,
interrupt you. Devisha, Sonia, or AIG? Yeah.
या सोनिया और देविशा दोनों का नाम लेकर जब आएंगे मैं डेफिनेटली 50% उसमें डिस्काउंट होगा. And
Wow.
secondly, again one more discount, those who want to also know about the logo, उनके लिए 5 minute का फ्री कंसल्टेशन दूंगा बेस्ड ऑन देयर जो लोगो रहेगा, ओनली विद
Mm-hmm.
द देविशा एंड सोनिया रेफरेंस. वो व्हाट्सएप पे मुझे देंगे, मैं उनका पूरा इंटरप्रिटेशन करके 5 minutes में उनको एक दे दूंगा. देन आई विल
Wow.
प्रोवाइड क्या क्या किया जा सकता है. तो दिस आर द टू ऑफर्स फ्रॉम मी ऑन द दिवाली.
Great, amazing. So, guys, we'll be mentioning this offer in the caption as well, so that you can refer to these offer dates. We'll mention the dates and all the details, and we'll be having all the contact coordinates of all these three amazing entrepreneurs in the comments. So, you're not going to miss out on any single information. So, moving on to Chanpreet, what do you have for us?
See, Devesha, for you and for Sonia name, if anyone comes to me for all kind of a desserts, like if it's a cake or a brownie cake or any kind of customized cake, I can
Mhm.
give them flat 20% discount
Wow. So,
on
guys,
the
you get
orders.
10% everywhere. Your Chanpreet is going to get 20%. Use the code Davisha and Sonia.
See, I do all kind of cakes, but the main USP of my cakes is we only use couverture chocolate, and
Hmm.
we don't use any kind of compounds or anything in our chocolate.
Right.
So everything is baked from scratch and it's pure chocolate. So everybody knows the costing of pure chocolate. It's
Hmm.
on a
Hmm.
little higher side as compared to a normal bakery.
Correct. And the taste is also amazing. Trust me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm pitching in so much because I had, lot of different varieties. I mean, he came to our place during Ganpati and got just beautiful assorted chocolate cup boxes, and they were amazing. My family is like, praising it on and off. So that is why even I am pitching in for him. And of course, I'll be pitching it for Nirav because I have experienced his services, and Shifali because we are already coordinating on the corporate gifting for Diwali.
Yes.
So, Shifali, what do you have for us?
Okay, so for the people who are connecting through this platform,
Hmm.
usually I do all the gifts wrap with a theme. For everybody coming for the bulk gifting, the gift wraps are going to be absolutely complimentary from my
Wow.
end. Also, along with that, anybody who's booking 10 pieces and above gets one more piece added to it as a free gift from our side. We are
Wow.
into these kind of brass lamps, if you can see. Yeah,
Yes.
we have
Very
a
pretty.
lot of urli options. We have a lot of corporate gift options. So anybody coming in for bulk orders or anybody referring us for a
Hmm.
bulk order gets a 10% on our profit sharing also, which I would like to announce for this platform. It's, I think, if we refer each other and it's just not about referring, it's also about getting that business, then
True.
definitely we can work on it. So these offers are there for people for this platform.
Wow. So these are like, the go-to offers and not to miss offers. So we'll be mentioning all these details in the caption so you don't miss on anything. So moving on, Neerav, tell us how your products stand out from others in the market during this Diwali, specifically.
Yes, specific if we talk about my product and USP, the first one I talk about the logo designing. आई एम नॉट अ लोगो डिजाइनर के कोरल ड्रॉ में डाल दिया और कुछ भी बना के भेज दिया. वी वर्क ऑन अ साइंटिफिक एस्पेक्ट ऑल्सो. तो मैं आपकी लोगो डिजाइन देखकर आपके थॉट प्रोसेस रीड कर लूंगा आपके कंपनी के बारे में कि आप अपनी
Mhm.
कंपनी के बारे में क्या सोचते हो, अपनी टीम के बारे में क्या सोचते हो, और आपकी थॉट प्रोसेस किस लेवल तक आप कितना अर्न करोगे. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द नंबर्स, but it is all about the mindset. So in this way, my product, my service stand totally different. If I read your logo, then I can speak 50 times more about different traits of your personality as well as your business. Then it may cover all the HR policy. It will cover the company's policy, ethics, whether in ethics, whether it cover the company's salaries also. It also cover the company work culture, so the value it provide and how you
Mhm.
treat your customer and vendor. ये एनालिसिस मैं करके देता हूँ, तो वहां आपको समझ में आता है आप कहाँ स्टैंड करते हो कंपनीज में. इफ यू आर कमिंग टू
Correct.
मी कि सर मुझे 1 करोड़ की कंपनी बननी है, तो पहले मैं देखो 1 करोड़ का माइंडसेट है क्या आपके पास, ये आपका
Hmm.
लोगो डिजाइन ही बता देगा. एंड सेकेंडली व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट अदर सर्विस, आई टॉक अबाउट एस्ट्रोलॉजी एंड फेस रीडिंग, मैंने आपको नहीं बताया. तो कॉम्पैटिबिलिटी भी हम करते हैं कि दो को फाउंडर्स का, जस्ट लाइक अ रिक्रूटर, कि आपको इसको लेना है कि
Mhm.
नहीं लेना अपनी टीम में, ये आप इसको प्रमोट करोगे, तो मेरे से आपको क्या हेल्प मिलेगी. मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि जिस इंसान को आपने बड़े बी स्कूल से लिया है, क्या ये एज ए टीम लीडर है, जिस इंसान को एज ए बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर लिया है, क्या वो सही में आपको हेल्पफुल रहेगा या
Oh.
उल्टा काम करके चले जाएगा. तो इन दिस वे माय सर्विसेज गिव वेरी इन डेप्थ डिटेल्स अबाउट द पीपल टू whom you are hiring. And when we talk about
Mhm.
astrology, I'm not about those people कि आप ये पूजा कर लो. and do not believe into more ritualistic. आज किसी के पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि कोई रिचुअल्स कर सके. I give him a very simple solution based on the karma कि आप ये काम, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आपका मंगल खराब है, तो आई विल से कि आप गिफ्ट दे दो. चलो वहां सैफाली की जरूरत पड़ेगी. गिफ्ट दे दो अपने भाई को, बिकॉज मंगल इज नथिंग. आपका बड़ा भाई छोटा भाई वो मंगल है. अगर आपका कैश फ्लो खराब चल रहा है, देन आई विल से आप अपनी मदर को गिफ्ट दे दो चांदी का, या फिर कुछ व्हाइट कलर का गिफ्ट दे दो, तो उसका उसका चंद्रमा ठीक हो जाएगा, तो मदर के साथ बॉन्डिंग हो जाएगी. एंड ऑल्सो
Oh.
टॉक टू योर मदर. तो इन दिस वे आई वर्क ऑन द लॉ ऑफ कर्मा, विच इज अ क्वाइट डिफरेंट फिनोमेना कंपेयर टू द अदर एस्ट्रोलॉजर. दोज हु बिलीव कि आप जलस्टोन पहन लो, आप ये पूजा कर लो. आई डू नॉट बिलीव कि आपको डरा डरा के आपसे पैसा खींचो, बिकॉज इस तरह से थोड़ा अलग रहता है मेरा.
Wow.
ये
Interesting. उनके सेमिनार्स भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होते हैं बिकॉज ही कीप डूइंग लॉट ऑफ ऑनलाइन सेमिनार्स एज वेल. ही इज गुड इनटू नो सिग्नेचर एनालिसिस टू. तो वो भी मैंने अटेंड किया हुआ था. एंड द वे ही गिव्स अ लॉट ऑफ डिटेल्स एंड यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि ओके दिस इज द थिंग दैट इज creating a blockage in my life. So there are a lot of things about Nirav that I can keep talking. So we'll talk about it in one of the next sessions. So, Chanpreet, tell us how your products stand out from others.
See, कैसा है अभी now it's a time of gifting and Diwali is also coming. So our USP in chocolate, it's not about के we only do chocolates normal आपको दे दिया 6 cavity 9 cavity. We don't do like that. We have our own team which looks after your proper customization के अगर आपको specific कोई आपका requirement है, like आप बोलो कि हमको 80% vegan चाहिए with a particular filling, we customize the chocolate and make sure कि उसको outcome वैसा आना चाहिए.
Wow.
और bulk order में we also do के what type of boxes are there, how आपको customization कैसे कर सकते हैं, what all customization in the bottles also, in the packaging also, and we can put the logos on the each chocolate also to make it stand out.
Okay.
नॉर्मल हम लोग चॉकलेट्स तो हर जगह से ले लेते हैं. नॉर्मल आप कहीं से स्वीट शॉप पे चले जाओ, आजकल आपको चॉकलेट्स अवेलेबल है.
True.
तो वी मेक श्योर कि हम वी टेक केयर ऑफ वेरी माइन्यूट थिंग्स इन पैकेजिंग एंड टू स्टैंड आउट ऑल्सो इन द मार्केटिंग आर प्रोडक्ट स्टैंड आउट
Hmm.
एंड वी डिलीवर प्रॉपरली ऑन टाइम टू मेक इट के कस्टमर के पास प्रॉपरली ऑन टाइम पहुंचे, पैकेजिंग उसका रहे और ट्रैवलिंग टाइम भी कट शॉर्ट पूरा ऑन द टाइम रहे. एटलीस्ट ही शुड नॉट बी के आया नहीं फॉलो अप बिल्कुल कर सके.
So your chocolates must be pan India, right?
Yes, we do in pan India.
You do pan India. And what is the general
Yes.
shelf life just for our audience to know?
Chocolates has a normally shelf life of 1 year plus. But
Great.
it all depends on the weather, from where to which city it's traveling. So we make sure, can we tell the customer, okay, sir, these are the things you have to
Mm-hmm.
make sure. So accordingly, it will get it delivered properly over there.
Correct. Nice. Amazing. And Shafali, what about you?
Yeah, so the USP actually, if you see, I deal directly with a vendor which is manufacturing. So I'm
Oh,
cutting down
wow.
the middleman, and the
Middleman.
price reduces of the same product. For example, if a lamp is available for say 2,000 rupees in the market, I give
Hmm.
it for say around 1,000 or 1,200. So first of all, the USP is that your price is cut down.
Cut
Second,
down.
I feel time is very important. Like
Hmm.
we anybody into doing any particular event or corporate or anything, the time value that you guys have, you don't want to go into the market searching for products and then just go and buy and get it packed and then look after how it's going to be distributed. So if you give it to me, I make sure that each and every piece is packed and you just have to pick it up and you just have to gift it. So your
Wow.
time is saved with that. Again, as I say, we are empowering a lot of women. So if you're
Hmm.
talking about equality and if you're supporting these kind of movements, then if you're buying gifts from me, you're as well supporting women empowerment through these
True.
entrepreneurs that we are doing. So I feel these are the USPs that you don't have to literally go and waste your time into
Hmm.
something that is very important, like taking a rig, taking a like Mumbai city itself, from one place to another. If you go, you are spending almost 2-3 hours. So instead of that, everything is coming to you at your home,
At your
packed
home.
beautifully and selected for you as per the quality that you want,
Wow.
but with the best price. So I think that's my USP.
Wow. So you're not only just saving, efforts, but you're saving a lot of time. And
Yes.
trust me, it doesn't take 2, 3 hours. It's like, कि अगर एक काम है तो आधा दिन गया तुम्हारा.
Yeah. True, true.
मतलब एक
Absolutely.
घंटा मतलब even if I want to go to travel from east to west, it takes around 45
Yeah.
minutes to 1 hour on the peak hours. ठीक है.
Right.
तो शाम के टाइम पे दिवाली सीजन में निकलो तो मतलब समझ लो भाई आपका पूरा शाम वहीं पे बीत
Yeah.
गया. भारी
It's
खाना
better
खा
to
के
spend
आते.
more time with your family and friends and your colleagues and leave the gifting and all that part to us so that we can serve you in this better way.
And she's very responsive, guys. I have been coordinating with her, very responsive, and now I know why her products were so reasonable, because I got the same offers from other dealers as well, because वो commonly हमने 2-3 groups में डाला था. Now
Right.
we were just wondering कि नहीं इनका ऐसे क्यों है करके. Now this is the reason, guys. अगर आपको भी ऐसा लगे तो खुद try कर लेना.
Thank
जरूर.
you.
खुद इस्तेमाल करो फिर विश्वास करो. So if I quickly ask you guys, what is that one product of yours which is like the highlight and which is more popular upon with your customer segment, which one should not miss? What is that? So Neerav, tell us what is that one service of yours?
If I talk about my services, that is about like compatibility के लिए बहुत आते लोग. People give me the face and for a face reading and signature. इसके साथ मैं
Okay.
शादी करूँ कि नहीं करूँ. ठीक है. तो अबाउट द
Wow.
compatibility and choosing the partner, people always come और मेरे ऊपर bombarding बहुत करते हैं कि मैं तू जो बोलता है वैसे. And then the girl will go for the official dates. मैं जो arranged marriage की बात कर रहा हूँ, not even love marriage वाले भी आते कि I am not sure कि मेरा BS या GF कितना सही है. आप मुझे बता दो कि इसके बिहेवियर पैटर्न एक्चुअल में कैसा है. मैं 1 साल से डेट कर रहा हूँ. Then I give him the complete information what is the behavior pattern, and then I left it up to. और फिर बाद में पता चलता है कि आपने बचा लिया भाई, लड़का तो ऐसा ऐसा था या लड़की ऐसे ऐसी थी. So that the behavior pattern is so strong, which can be seen in the face also, which can be seen in the signature also. So and combine the three modality, the face reading, signature and astrology, to give him the accurate reading about the human behavior. क्योंकि आज हम कितना भी अच्छा बोल दें, लेकिन हमारा behavior से हम या फिर कनेक्ट होते हैं या डिस्कनेक्ट होते हैं.
Disconnect. Okay, correct.
मेरी बहुत ज़्यादा इतनी ज़्यादा स्पेशलिटी बन गई कि कॉम्पेटिबिलिटी में मतलब फिर लोग मेरे पास आना शुरू हो गया और मैं फर्स्ट भी जाता हूँ कि हाँ बोलूँ कि ना बोलूँ, बिकॉज दे थ्रो ऑन मी कि आप बताओ मैं शादी करूँ कि नहीं करूँ. ठीक है. नाउ दैट इज वेरी क्रूशियल.
Very धर्म संकट वाला चीज हो गई ये तो.
मैं फिर सोचता हूँ कि आप डिसाइड करो, मैं आपको सारा बिहेवियर पैटर्न बिल्कुल क्लियर बता दूंगा, फिर वो आपके हाथ में है। कल जाके ये ना बोलो कि अच्छा लड़का हाथ से निकल गया, या फिर कहा मैं
So
आपके फंस।
Neerav in general becomes like, Sri Krishna, he'll tell you कि this is the path to walk or not. वो आप अर्जुन बन के डिसाइड करो, फिर उसमें
हाँ,
आपका decide करो।
मेरा काम है आपको रास्ता दिखाना, सही बात है।
हम
But again,
रास्ता दिखाएं।
when it comes to marriage, there is a very famous saying in the North India, कि 3 चीज ईश्वर ने अपने हाथ में रखी है, जन्म, मरण और परण। माने your birth, your death and your
In
wedding.
Gujarati also we say that.
या तो वो फिक्स है, बट वी आर जस्ट अ मीडिएटर, ट्राई टू गाइड यू। ठीक है, तो इसमें मैं जो सबसे ज्यादा आई है मेरे को, जिसके लोग मुझे बार बार, और दूसरा एक और होता है, किसी कोई चीज गुम हो जाती है, लॉस्ट एंड फाउंड, तो वो भी एक स्पेशलिटी तो नहीं बोलूंगा, लेकिन इतना आता है कि मैं आपको 5 सेकंड में बता दूंगा कि मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा, या फिर अगर कोई चीज गुम होगी कौन सी दिशा में है,
We'll try this definitely, guys. Everyone watching, we need to catch hold of Neerav. Neerav will become our Gemini AI to search the things कि हाँ भाई ये इधर इधर देख लो।
रिव्यूज पे जाके देखिए, मेरे मैक्सिमम यही रिव्यूज आए हैं कि किसी का पासपोर्ट गुम हो गया था, किसी की ज्वेलरी गुम हो गई थी। ठीक है, लोग बहुत, एक बार तो मैंने एक इंसान को भी ढूंढ के दिया था, जो बच्चा चन्नी रोड से भाग के विराट ट्रेन में छुप गया था। मेरे स्टूडेंट ने मुझे बोला था, फिर वो पेंडुलम और इंट्यूशन से उसको ढूंढ के दिया था। नाउ सो मेनी थिंग्स, मैं क्या ही बताऊं।
So many things. So okay. So quickly, if we say, then he is good at all your कोई भी आपका कोई प्रॉब्लम रहेगा, उसका कोई ना कोई सोल्यूशन तो मिल ही जाएगा आपको नीरव के पास से। So moving on to Chanpreet, tell us.
देखो, आपकी स्वीट टूथ कभी खत्म नहीं होती। आज का टाइम ऐसा है, हर कोई बोलता है मेरे को डाइट पे हूँ, पर मीठा तो खाना बनता है।
बनता है।
तो आप अगर मीठे से शुरुआत करोगे तो हमारा यूएसपी केक्स के अंदर है। वी आर हॉट सेलिंग केक इज अ बेल्जियम चॉकलेट केक, दैट इज अ डाइट टू डाई फॉर। एंड इफ यू टेक इन चॉकलेट्स, we have lots of varieties in chocolates, with which are the hot selling of ours is a nuts coated with chocolates, the draggy is what we call. And in that we have a coffee almond, which is a hot selling. कस्टमर आंख बंद करके वो खाता है ना, तो वो उसका टेस्ट और टेक्सचर उसके मुंह में वो कभी भूलता नहीं है। तो नेक्स्ट टाइम कुछ और लेगा नहीं, पर वो चीज के लिए जरूर आएगा, एक पर्टिकुलर चीज के लिए।
आई एम श्योर, इसीलिए है ना, ये बंदे ने हमारी जो कॉफी मीट थी ना, उसमें वही दिया था सबको एज अ सैम्पलिंग के तौर पे, कि लाइक अरे एक करो, टेस्ट करो, ताकि वो बोलते ना, वो खून चटाना टाइप्स जो रहता है, तो वैसे उसकी वो चॉकलेट हमें चटाती थी।
ओशिवरा भी।
हाँ, श्रीजी में उसने दिया था ना हम सबको वो पैकेट। तो जो नहीं आया वो उन लोगों ने मिस किया। So we also, I'll quickly tell our viewers that we have our own community, own, small curated group of, all these beautiful people over there. So it's a verified circle from people who reside from Borivali to Bandra, or probably have their clans within this area, so that we can, network with each other, meet every month, and do a lot of activities. And we have a lot of opportunities that comes to me, Sonia, or any other member. So that is shared first and exclusively in that group. So make sure you are a part of it. And if not, then you're missing on so many things.
तो आपको कभी मैं भूल जाऊंगा, पर मेरी चॉकलेट नहीं भूलेगी, देखना।
चॉकलेट्स नहीं भूलेगी।
और मेरा केक नहीं भूलने दूंगा।
वो भी टेस्ट करना बाकी है, ठीक है, हम वो भी टेस्ट कर लेंगे।
चलो।
So what do you, Shefali? Tell us.
Okay, so gifting is a vast topic. Definitely, I have all the regular gifts, and those are not, the USP kind. But yes, the USP that I would say is all handmade products. For example, a neck piece like this, which is a beads, handmade beads necklace. We deal into a lot of handmade jewelry also, the beads one. We also deal in a lot of hand painted saris and dupattas, or bags. So that's one of the USP that I'm trying to bring out. And towards handicraft products, like as I said, brass items, which is from a city like Moradabad, where they are beautifully handcrafted. So we are into all these three things, and main focus would be on the handmade particular things. So don't miss out on those on our sites.
So that's a truly vocal for local, guys. You know, if you want to
Yeah.
support this initiative and support the nation, then you know where you have to go. And of course, you need to go to Chanpreet and Neerav as well, because they are entrepreneurs. And by supporting them, you are supporting the whole chain, the whole network of people who are, associated with them in the whole line. So yes, guys. So that's the amazing thing. We have these amazing entrepreneurs with their amazing offers. So now quickly tell us, what special message do you have or you would like to share with us and our viewers for Diwali?
Start with me or
Yeah, starts.
ओके। बस यही बात है कि भाई अपने बड़ों का ध्यान रखो। इन 5 दिन धनतेरस से लेकर भाऊ बीज तक उनको गिफ्ट दो, ताकि आपके सारे प्लैनेट स्ट्रांग हो जाए। ठीक है, और लक्ष्मी माता का जाप करो ताकि पूरे साल पैसा ही पैसा आए।
अरे वाह।
आई जस्ट विश ऑल द बेस्ट के, और हमारी कम्युनिटी को ज्यादा से ज्यादा कनेक्ट करो, कनेक्ट विद द AIG एंड स्पेशली बांद्रा टू बोरीवली, व्हाट वी हैव टू बांद्रा टू बोरीवली, ताकि वी
Yeah,
कैन फ्लरिश।
that's a peripheral people. Yeah.
ठीक है, दैट्स अ मैसेज कि जितना ज्यादा लोग आएंगे तो हम एक दूसरे को हेल्प कर पाएंगे। ठीक है, बिकॉज द
Correct.
लॉ ऑफ कर्मा वर्क ओनली दिस प्रिंसिपल। मैं आपको हेल्प करूंगा तो आप कहीं ना कहीं आपको यूनिवर्स हेल्प करेगा। तो दिस कम्युनिटी लाइक वर्किंग
True.
ऑन वर्क गेन ओनली। आप जितना हेल्प करोगे एक दूसरे को, कहीं ना कहीं से पैसा आएगा। तो दिस इज द ओनली मैसेज फॉर माय व्यूअर्स।
Amazing. So what about you, Chanpreet? Tell us your message.
मैसेज जस्ट एज सच कोई स्पेसिफिक मैसेज नहीं है, बट यही है, आप हेल्प करते रहो जहां भी आपको जितना भी मौका मिले। कभी किसी को हेल्प करने से पीछे मत छोड़ना। पर आज के टाइम पे कई लोग होते हैं जो हिचकिचाते हैं, थोड़ा भी किसी को कुछ हेल्प मांगो, यार ये पता नहीं आएगा नहीं आएगा, छोड़ दो। आप बस अपना गुड गुड फेथ से करो जिसको जितना हेल्प कर सकते हो, एंड ट्राई टू स्प्रेड द वर्ड।
Very, very true. Amazing. So we have lovely messages as well. So Shifali, what's your message?
So, first of all, happy Diwali to everybody watching this, and thank you for watching this. And I think this is a wonderful initiative that you guys are doing. More and more people should come on this platform because it's absolutely in a very professional way. My message to all the people watching this is that अपने घर वालों के साथ, अपने colleagues के साथ सबसे ज़्यादा time बिताओ and put these petty services on professionals like us. You know, you have so many of us on board. You can connect to any of us for gifting, for Vastu, for chocolates. Just we are a call away and on this lovely platform. So pick up the phone and call us for this particular thing. Thank you.
Wow. So we have these amazing messages, guys, for the Diwali and these amazing offers. And with this, we'll be writing all their details, contact details, how you want to catch hold of these amazing entrepreneurs and their amazing offers that they have. So that will be in the caption. And stay tuned as we are having series of entrepreneurs lined up for you guys with their amazing offers coming up for the whole season. And with this, we are signing off. And thank you so much for watching. And please keep sharing and supporting us, each one of us. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू।
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye
We
bye.
are ending this right now.